Anytime now, race number 2, and the race is on impulsive decision. Fast to begin, Golden Wings. Down on the inside, Muracel. Also rushing up is Petrus Blanc. Sweet Embrace, Racing P by Darrell, and second last Love Tail, while the favorite will soon is the early trailer by about 9 or 10 lengths of the leader. Golden Wings by some 2 lengths, Petrus Blanc. In the middle, impulsive decision, Muracel is racing from the outside, Sweet Embrace, Love Tail, and will soon is racing from the outside, taking second last, and rounding the far turn, Golden Wings by a length and a half. Murazel in second, impulsive decision. Sweet Embrace racing forth from the outside, Petrus Blanc and will soon Love Tail as they swing for home. Golden Wings still leading by some 2 lengths now. Murazel in second, Sweet Embrace on the farther outside rushing up. It's now Sweet Embrace from the outside, Golden Wings, and Murazel will soon down on the inside. Sweet Embrace, this time by some 3 lengths now, followed by Muracel. And finally, Sweet Embrace, Petrus Blanc will soon. Number 7, Muracel, Golden Wings, Impulsive Decision, and Love Tail comes last.
At